You open your banking app on a quiet Sunday evening. A dozen tiny charges sit there. €8 here, $12 there, £15 somewhere else. None of them feel large enough to fight. Yet somehow, the total keeps rising every month, and you can't quite remember agreeing to half of them. That's the quiet genius of the subscription economy. It doesn't ask for a big decision. It asks for a small, almost invisible one. Streaming, cloud storage, a fitness app you use twice, a meal kit you meant to cancel, software that used to be a one-time purchase. Suddenly, the bill arrives automatically, and your brain treats it like background noise. Most people dramatically underestimate what they're actually spending. Surveys consistently show the gap between what people think they pay and what leaves their account is often more than double. A surprising number keep paying for services they no longer open. The system is designed that way. Auto-renewal removes friction from the company's side and adds it to yours. Here's the part that rarely gets said out loud. Those small monthly numbers don't just reduce what you can spend next week. They quietly compound against you. Money that never leaves your account can be invested, saved, or simply kept. Money that leaves automatically is gone before you notice. Over years, the difference is not trivial. It's the difference between having options and wondering why the numbers never quite add up. The real trap isn't any single subscription. It's the slow shift from ownership to rental. You no longer buy the thing. You rent access to it forever. And the companies know that once the charge becomes familiar, most people will keep paying long after the value has faded. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple, but almost no one does it regularly. Once a quarter, open the statements. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Treat every renewal as a fresh decision, not a default. The subscription economy thrives on your inattention. The moment you start paying attention again, it loses its quiet power.